Hello everybody! I just got a new microphone. Actually, this is my first studio quality microphone. My use will focus mainly on YouTube videos, so expect crystal voice in future videos. My voice now is through GoPro settings. So let's unbox the Rode NT-USB to see what's in the box. This is always the nicest part of any product. Oh, so the box is really nice. Let's see. This is this quality sponge. Let's put it inside. So we have here, okay, the stand. Let's see what's here. This is case for microphone. See, so this is USB cable. It's 6 meters long. And we come to the microphone. Actually, it's the NT-USB microphone plus pop shield. Oh, it's look fantastic. It's really nice. Rode. Really fantastic. Rode. So let's see what's activate your free extended warranty now. Yep, I forgot to mention that the warranty is what you get in your country. Sometimes it's 1 year warranty, sometimes it's 2 year, and if you register your Rode USB microphone on the Rode website, you can get plus 2 years of warranty. For some microphones there are even 10 years of additional warranty. So that's the package whole case. It's not real leather. We got a short manual and a sticker of I love Rode. I must say that I am not paid by Rode or any other company, so this is only my equipment that I will use on my YouTube channel. So let's see. I think it's quite simple. And hello again. This is a voice from my Rode microphone. You can now compare it to the voice recorded on my GoPro Hero 7 Black camera. This is Rode NT-USB microphone. I think this is the best microphone you can get for your money. This is versatile studio quality USB microphone. This is microphone that is mostly used by YouTubers, and also it can be used as a studio microphone. It has stand and pop shield included, so you can actually shield the voice from pop sounds. It's iPad compatible, as it is USB, connected to the computer or to iPad. This is recorded on my GoPro. This is Rode NT-USB microphone, versatile studio quality USB microphone. I hope you enjoy the video. I think the Rode and NT-USB microphone is much better than the GoPro sound or any other camera sound. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Keep track for more videos soon. Please subscribe.